this video, we're going to go ahead and replace the rear glass wiper blade located right on your rear wiper arm. On the rear wiper here, you want to go ahead and lift up on the arm. You want to grab the wiper and you want to fold it outward and just continue to push it from the bottom side and just hold the top. The wiper itself will dislodge off of this pivot post right here and set your arm down. Now the reason why we set this down is that we don't want this to accidentally snap down and whack the glass. So we're going to go ahead and lift this up now, and there's a notch right on the top portion of the wiper arm, and that's where the post is going to fit. Take your wiper arm or your wiper blade, you want to pull that post and up into the arm itself. You can almost be putting this in a T. Pop that up into place and swing, pull this bottom part in, and it'll lock itself into place. Good, lower the wiper arm.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.